Hey everybody, I wanted to show you guys how I do my twist out. I used to do this all the time when my hair was transitioning to healthier curls. To start, you just add some moisturizing cream. I will be using the Curlflo, flaxseed and avocado curl cream. I put that cream all over the section and then using a brush I distribute it. And to start with the twists, I divide that section into two and then twist them around each other very tightly. When I get to the end, I usually brush it out just in case there's any tangles or there's any frizz. Then when I get to the end, I keep on twisting it. Get my gel. I'll be using my Dippity-do curl gel. I just add that to the end and keep on twirling it. Then I do the same to the rest of the section. It's really up to you how big you want the twist. Just know the smaller the twist, the more volume, the more definition you have. I'll be doing the medium sized. Then I keep on twisting all the other sections, add some cream, brush it. When I get to the end, I'll add the gel, only on the tips. I like to seal my ends with gel and finger coil the ends just so they stay intact and don't get loose. When I get to the front, I part my hair the way I want it to be and then start twisting that section as well. When I'm done twisting everything, I just diffuse my hair for a bit and then let it air dry for the rest of the night. If you need to go out, you can just add some bling and it's good to go out with. When I go to bed, I use a scarf and just tie it so throughout the night I don't create frizz or add friction to my hair. The next day it should be dried, it would look thicker. And then what I do is add a little bit of oil so my hands are not too dry as I separate them all. And I take my time and do section by section. You can keep on separating them until you find the volume you want. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please like and comment.